How to create Supercell ID in Brawl Stars. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, click on Connect at the bottom right. After you've clicked on Connect, click on Register a Supercell ID in here. After you've clicked on Register a Supercell ID, enter your mail and press on Send Email. After you pressed on Send Email in here, code will be sent to your mail. You need to open your Gmail app and search for the code. After you've found the code, copy the code and paste it in here. After you've pasted the code, press on Submit at the bottom. Then press on Create. After you press on Create in here, add your name. You can change it or press on Continue, choose your avatar, press on Continue, and after you do that, your account will be created. This is how to create Supercell ID in Brawl Stars. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.